जमात चारों की जानिब से एक ड्रामा पेश किया जा रहा है अंग्रेजी के अंदर, द हियर एंड टॉर्टोइस। तो ये ड्रामा जमात चारों के तलबा पेश करें। इसके अंदर ओवैस मोमी, उम्मुल वरा मुल्ला, जरीन शेख, इन 3 बच्चों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया। तो जोरदार तालियां एक मरतबा उनके लिए। ये ड्रामा शुरू करें। क्या
The hen and the tortoise. Once a hen and a tortoise decided to have a race. You are so slow, I am so fast. Let us run a race up to the mango tree. Ha ha ha. The race began. The hen ran with long leap. Hop, hop, hop. The tortoise walked slowly. Float, float, float. The hen came to a carrot patch. Yummy! What slowly is that carrot? The tortoise clapped. I will eat a few carrots. But he ate a lot of carrots. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Then the hen came to a radish patch. Sir, what is the white radishes? I will eat only a few. But he ate up quite a few. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Then the hen came to another vegetable patch. Fresh vegetable, so good to eat. So he ate up quite a few. Munch, munch, munch. The hen was now too full. He ran. Hop, itty, hop, hop, itty, hop. He was feeling very sleepy. I will take a little rest. He slept under a tree. He slept on and on. All this while, the tortoise didn't stop. He walked on and on. The tortoise reached the mango tree. The hare up. He ran to the mango tree. What did the hare see? Ha ha ha! Nobody is very sorry.